What's going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com showing you this cashback app, Ibotta. Whenever you go grocery shopping, it's one of the best apps to use because you're going to get cash back on things you usually buy at the grocery store anyway. They have lots of different stores you can choose from. So I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use this app and how I make money with it. Like I said, you can go to a variety of different stores that are in your area. So I'll basically show you what you would do. So you'll pick a store. It doesn't matter what store you choose from. You can kind of scroll down and see all the stores that they have that are in your area. These are the ones that are in my area. So you will actually choose one. For me, I'm going to choose Walmart because I go there a lot. And you see here, you can do in-store purchases online, or you can use an online gift card and get a percentage back. So it will show you all of the items in Walmart that are offering cash back. You can categorize it. You see here, these are ones that I've kind of bought something similar or bought these items before. So they're showing me that. That's in the For You section. Like I said, you can categorize. This is the best value. So you see the amount of cash back you're getting here, $5, $4.48. Good amount of cash back on these items. They always have lots of different items you can choose from. So it's not just a few items on here. It's lots of them. You can do any item. If you buy any one of these items, doesn't matter the brand, you get cash back. So you see how easy it is in order to basically just, pick a product on here. Like I say, just categorizing, whatever you're going grocery shopping for, or you can make your list according to what's on the app. So that way you can make money with it. And so once you find things, you will submit your receipt at the bottom and click submit receipt. But just showing you no more, this is the beauty and personal care section, but you'll submit your receipt. And with Walmart, you can just scan the barcode. And on that barcode, it would tell you all the items that matched and all the ones right here that are with a check mark match. So I'll just go down and collect $3.25 for those 3 items. And then just it says it takes 24 hours to go into your account, but it really doesn't. It goes in instantly. So, once you see that, sometimes it might take a little delay, but for the most part, it comes instantly. So now I'll click done and go back. And you'll see there my balance, $7.10. I'll go and show you the $3.25 that I got right here from the 3 items that matched, purchase date and things like that. $3.25, just like that. So, this is an app I've been using for a while. You see my balance went up to $7.10. Once you have a minimum of $20, you can cash out. That might seem high, but when you saw the amount of cash back you're getting per item, it really is not that bad. You can cash out via PayPal. You got gift cards, things like that. And they pay instantly. It doesn't take any time to get your money, so it will be instantly into your account if you use PayPal. Or if you choose to get gift cards, you can get those sent to your email instantly as well. So a very good app to use if you're going grocery shopping or you're just buying a few things at the store. You can always use this app to get cash back and put some money back into your pocket, because we all know grocery is getting very, very expensive. But this app here, it will kind of lighten the load for you. So I will leave the link to sign up with this app in the description. If you sign up with my link, you get a $5 sign up bonus. So that's way, you're kind of, close to your cash out already. Just use some items or buy some items, get cash back, and let your account continue to fill up. All right. So click on the link in the description. It's completely free. You can use it on your iPhone or your Android, whatever the case may be. Sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.